storm picked back up again. Oh god. And I don't have any editing software, so I can't add it all together. Man, so easy professional kind of. Look how strong it is. Oh, I can't see over there. Look. There's no visibility. If you saw the last video, can't see. I'm gonna edit my first video out, but however, part 2, guys. What's up? Subscribe to the channel, please. Oh god, I gotta get in this corner. Oh gosh, I gotta get in the corner. In the corner I go. This is heavy rain. Let's see. Yeah. This whole show could be wet, and I'm wet. Man, my phone might die after today. We need to take the storm for that. Oh god. Oh boy. Oh, gotta go back out. Look at how much we got still. Oh, I think the power's gonna go out. I think the power could go out just to take down some weaker dead trees. Anything that didn't come down in the winter or the spring is gonna come down now. Strong. Oh! Oh my gosh. It's strong. It's blowing the whole tree, and this is even one of these big oak trees. Sweet. Something's gonna come down. I bet you. Somewhere in town, something's gonna come down. This is a bad storm, but I'm surprised it doesn't feel warm. Probably because it doesn't warn that. I haven't seen something that strong in a while. It's close as we had to this, or something this bad. I'm near here where something along like 46 will account for. Let's try uploading a video. There's a lot of beautiful lighting. I can't see, it's raining so heavily. I took the video last time because it all died, it stopped for a moment. I was like, okay, I think the worst is over. Just bowed right back up. Oh, wow, that was loud. I dare you to do it again. Okay, now I can't see. It looks nice. It doesn't look as bad through my camera, for the camera, but trust me, you can hardly see crap. Like, I'm having trouble seeing down to the trees, and that's just down the street. You know, Lawrence very well. I'm having problems seeing down the street, so this is a visibility and driving problem. And with these slick roads, braking is probably going to be reduced, but whatever, who am I? It's kind of dying down, but I bet you it'll kick right back up in a moment. It's just raining now. I might have ruined the video, but I doubt it could. Why don't we look over here and watch lightning rain? I think I'm gonna end it off here. Bye guys. I'll pick back up for part 3 if it's still more tonight. Bye.